Hey, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be about the Sephora VIB sale that just ended yesterday. So if you want to see what I got, stick around and let's get into this video. But before we do, if this is your first time here, don't forget to hit that like button right somewhere right here, as well as comment below and hit that notification bell right here so you'll be notified whenever I post a new upload, and join the fam. The first thing, I'm not going in any order. I just want you to know that. I'm not going in any order. I'm just grabbing out the bag what I got. And I'm just going to show you guys. Some things that I bought were rebuys. And some were things that I just always wanted to try and was too expensive. So I was being cheap. And I let it sit there until this sale came. Alright, so the first thing I got was this lip scrub. It's real cute packaging and it smells good too. All their stuff smells good. Yes. I used it last night, I believe. So this was good. I rebought these babies right here. I hope my lighting doesn't. So I didn't get the big one, which would have came in handy because these are $20 a piece. And if I would have just got one big one, then it would have been $45 plus the discount. But I like to be able to take these in my purse with me, so. Another rebuy that I got was the Laura Mercier with a little thing like this, a little spongy thing, and then this is what the packaging looks like. A NARS foundation. A lot of this stuff would have cost, I mean, the 15% off is like a little more than taxes, but you're not gonna get nothing off if you wait until this sale is over. So this sale ended yesterday, I believe. Yeah, yesterday. And this video will be going up the same day. So yeah. So this is the foundation that I got from NARS. This is the All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation in the shade. What shade did I get? New Orleans, dark 2 New Orleans. So I want to see how this works. I might do a tutorial on this. If you guys want me to do a tutorial on any of the things that I have in this video, then just let me know and I'll do it, because we all in this together, y'all. So this is it again, and let me put this. Another rebuy. I got the Fenty Unveil. Can you see it? The Fenty Unveil Stunner Lip Paint. I already have this one already. This is like a brown color. It's really cute. I wore a lip using this color before in one of my other videos. So another buy that I waited for this, okay, because this right here costs $45. I also will put the prices up on the screen for you guys so you guys can know how much the regular price was. But yes, I hope you guys can see this. Let me take it out the plastic because it's all dirty because I've been touching on it. But look, oh my goodness. I was in need of a really good highlighter, and I have the Fenty Kilowatt foil or something like that, but the glitter is too chunky. Like, it's too chunky for me, so I just use it as eyeshadow really. But this is the colors. Are super cute. You can see I swashed my hand in it because I just had to touch it. It's pretty. It's pretty. I've been wanting this for a long time. It has cream highlight, powder highlight. It's a really bright gold, like a 24 karat gold. Then it has like a bronze color. Then it has like a copper kind of color in the rose gold kind of color, which is Bora Bora. Super. This has been out for a while, and girl, I just couldn't see myself spending $45 on just highlighter palette by itself. So I waited and I got it. That was the first thing I grabbed, and they never have this palette in stock. This is the 3D highlighter palette by Huda Beauty, and this one is in, what's the name of this one? Oh, this is the Bronze Sands highlighter palette. And then I've been seeing this too everywhere, and I don't understand what products they sell, but this is the Banana Bright face primer sample. And I don't know if maybe if you guys have this, let me know how it worked out for you. But I'm definitely going to try this out. Because of the sale, they was being stingy with the samples. Because I live for the samples. Period. So here's another item that I got. This is the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. Everyone has been raving about this primer, and this primer is bomb, is what I heard. So you know I had to go pick it up so I could try it out and make sure that it is what it is, and it does grip and hold on to our makeup so we don't be looking crazy out here in these streets. Let me see. But I can't wait to try this, that foundation, my NARS foundation, and the primer, the NARS foundation, and the highlighter palette. I can't. So stay tuned, you guys. Subscribe to the channel. I hope you guys found this video helpful. And if you guys got anything from the sale, let me know what you got. Or if you like any of the items that I have in this video, join the fam. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And if you have, please hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new upload. And until next time, you guys, love you guys. Bye.